Hi, good day, Miss Beverly Nanyo. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am and sir, I'm Beverly Naino. I'm 35 years old. I'm living in Taytay Rizal. I'm single.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have two. One, my eldest daughter is 17 years old and youngest daughter is 11 years old.
Alright, thank you. How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings, 3 sisters, and 1 brother. I am the eldest.
Thank you. Tell me about your educational background.
Educational background is high school graduating back 2006.
Thank you. Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, and KSE and 2 years and 6 months.
Thank you. Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper.
Take care in children, cooking, clean home, and washing and ironing clothes.
Right, thank you. Did you finish your contract?
Yes.
How would you describe yourself?
Honest, loyal, and patient.
Thank you. Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to sustain my family and my future.
Thank you. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I want to take care in dog and cat.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Attend to come.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yeah. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all the day.
Thank you for that. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as housemate. I will promise I will do my best and I take care of your family. Thank you.